Welcome back, guys. I've always told you that management is different from marketing. So, management is you operating on Twitter day to day. So, when we are talking about Twitter management, is how you operate on Twitter day to day, which is very, very important. The basis of management is all about how you manage your accounts on a day to day, like you posting, commenting, following, and unfollowing people. These are the easy things you do as a Twitter manager. Then you as a Twitter manager, you need to know how to market brands on Twitter. So that literally means that as a manager, you should learn some marketing skills as well. You should be able to market the brand and at the same time manage the brand's reputation online. And that's what we are simply doing. So you need to know all this, how to post, how to comment, how to reply to messages, how to reply to complaints online about the brand, how to do all those things. These are things you need to know. And in this course, we're going to look at the basics of Twitter management, how to manage Twitter page, and this will give you more insight to how to use Twitter on your PC. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.